Hi dear students, welcome you all for today's statistics class. In the previous class, already we have discussed about cost of living index and also known as a consumer price index number by using aggregative expenditure method. In this video, we are going to know about that the same topic, consumer price index number or cost of living index number, but by using family budget method. Okay students, let us know about the problem. Second problem, compute the cost of living index. Cost of living index means CLI, cost of living index number, by using the following data. So in the cost of living index or consumer price index number, we have a two types of solution. Two types of solution: aggregative expenditure method and family budget method. So here they didn't mention we have to solve any method, right? Based on the given information, we should select which is the suitable method. Okay, in this problem they are given information of groups A, B, C, D, means commodities they are given. Next they are given weightage they are given, means weight means W. Next they are given information of price of base year and current year. Base year means we can indicate as a P0, current year we can indicate as a P1. So in this problem they are given information of W. So when they are given information of W, weightage information given, we should apply the family budget method. When they are given in a problem information of W, we should apply family budget method. In the previous video already we have solved one problem. In that problem they are given information of number of units, means they are given information of quantities. When they are given information of quantities information, we should apply the aggregative expenditure method. In this problem they are given information of weightage, means W. So that is the reason we are applying the family budget method is suitable method of solution for this problem. Okay students, I think all are know about that, how to selecting the method. Okay, once again I will repeat. When they are given information of W, we should apply the family budget method. When they are given information in a problem quantities, we should apply the aggregative expenditure method. In this problem they are given information of W, we can give a solution based on the family budget method. Okay students, you can solve the problem based on the given information. Solution for this problem: first we should write down the given information as it is. First they are given information of group. How many groups are there? 5 groups: A, B, C, D and E. Next they are given information of weightage. We can indicate as a W. W information is already given in a problem: 10, 5, 3, 7, 5. Next they are given information of price of the base year and current year. Price of the base year we can denote as a P0. The values are 2000, 800, 400, 500, 800. Next they are given information of current year price. The values are 2520, next 1200, next 500, 700, 1000. These are the given information. So here given information of W, so we are applying the family budget method. We are applying the family budget method. First we should write down the formula for family budget method. The formula for cost of living index or consumer price index, CLI, in family budget, the formula is summation of WP divided by summation of W. So we required information of summation of WP divided by summation of W. So W means weightage, already they are given in a problem, W. If you make a total, we will get the summation of W, right? So if you make a total of this, we will get the 30. So we already find out the information of summation of W. Next we required information of summation of WP. P means price relative. P means price relative. In this problem they are given information of price base year and current year, but we required information of only price relative. So we have one formula for find out in the P, means price relative. Current year price means P1 divided by P0. P0 means base year into 100. This is the formula for calculating the price relative. So we should calculating the price based on the given information. So P1 means 2520. 2520 divided by base year is 2000 into 100. 2520 divided by 2000 into 100, you will get 126. Next 1200 divided by 800 into 100, we will get the answer 150. Next 500 divided by 400 into 100, we will get the value 125. 700 divided by 500 into 100, we will get the answer 140. Next 1000 divided by 800 into 100, we will get the value is 125. Okay students, this is the way of calculating the price relative. After the calculation of price relative, next we required information of WP, means summation of WP. So we should make a multiplication of W into P, means W into P you have to multiplication. 10 into 126, 10 into 126, we will get the WP. 10 into 126, 1260. 5 into 150, we will get 750. Next 3 into 125, we will get the 375. Next 7 into 140, we will get 980. 5 into 125, we will get 625. Next we should make a total of this. Next we make a total of this because we required information of summation of WP. Summation of WP. If you make a total of these values, we will get 3990. Okay students, required information we are calculated in table. After the calculation, we should apply the formula. CLI, cost of living index. Summation of WP, the value is 3990 divided by summation of W. So if you make a total of these values, we will get 30. CLI, cost of living index. If you simplification of this one, you will get 133. We will get 133. So this is the way of solution for cost of living index. Okay students, for family budget method, no need to give a conclusion also. Okay students, thank you to all.